Welcome to Little Sprouts, Big Lessons.
Welcome to a fun-filled summer vacation. Hey kids, ready to make this summer the best one ever? Let's dive into some awesome activities that will keep you entertained and help you learn new things. First up, we have arts and crafts. Grab some paper, markers, scissors, and glue and let your imagination run wild. You can paint, draw, make DIY crafts, or even create your own summer scrapbook. How about making a colorful summer banner? Just cut out fun shapes like suns, ice creams, and beach balls. Then glue them onto your banner. Hang it up in your room for some summer vibes. Next is household activities with parents. Did you know helping out around the house can be a lot of fun too? Ask your parents if you can join in on some household activities. You can help with cooking, cleaning, organizing, and even gardening. It's a great way to learn new skills and spend quality time together. Plus, working together makes everything easier and more enjoyable. Next activity is reading and storytelling. On hot summer days, there's nothing better than diving into a good book. Reading takes you on amazing adventures without leaving your home. And if you love stories, why not create your own? Write down your story ideas, draw some pictures, and share them with your family and friends. You can even put on a mini play or puppet show with your story. Next, it's time for some outdoor adventures. Whether it's hiking, biking, or just exploring your backyard, there's so much to discover in nature. Take a notebook and draw or write about the cool things you find. Like this pretty flower or that funny looking bug, nature is full of surprises. Next activity to try is science experiments. Science can be so much fun. Let's do some cool experiments you can try at home. How about making a volcano with baking soda and vinegar? You'll need baking soda, vinegar, food coloring, and a container. Add some baking soda and food coloring to your container, then pour in the vinegar. Watch it fizz and bubble like a real volcano. Science is awesome. Next activity to try at home is cooking and baking. Who loves yummy treats? Let's try some easy recipes you can make with a little help from an adult. How about making some delicious fruit popsicles? You'll need some fruit juice, chopped fruits, and popsicle molds. Mix your juice and fruits, pour them into the molds, and freeze. After a few hours, you'll have a tasty, refreshing snack. Wow, we've done so many fun things today. Remember, summer is a great time to explore new hobbies, learn new things, and most importantly, have lots of fun. Enjoy your summer vacation and see you next time. And guess what? I'll be uploading more videos with activities that you can try at home during summer vacation. So, stay tuned. Have an amazing summer.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.